Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Ink Tank Wireless 415 series, and now I'm gonna show you how to print printer information page with the information of your printer's IP from m.web server, with your Wi-Fi direct information, with the password of the Wi-Fi direct, and with the Wi-Fi direct name, and with the mail of web services. So to do it, you just need to click cancel button and information button together. Click and not to hold. So just click and release. And wait. And great. So here is information about all of these. As you can see, here I have information about my printer's IP with Wi-Fi direct name and Wi-Fi direct password. Here I have printer's email address from web services. I don't want to share you this email. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.